that would take her outside of the solar system. During the trip, she landed on
this channel is getting 1.1 million views every single month, and this channel is making almost like $10,000 to $12,000 every single day. You can see it, and you can see that on last 30 days has got 1,000 subscribers. That means what? This channel is blowing it up, and the best thing of all is that this has got 1 million views, and this is just showing you up to $4 only. Okay, so you can see that they show you up to $4, but this channel is making actually 10 to 12,000 according to the RPM it is in. Why? Because the name of the channel is DJ's Aviation. Wait for it. I'm going to be showing you how you can make exact same videos like them. So you can see the recent example on October 29, 2022. They have made a video about exciting Airbus A30. You can see Airbus A380 news. So what happens is that you can see simple footages like this, and after that they are doing this. You're doing background on the background, they are using voiceover. Really simple. You can do it real easily. You can see Lufthansa up here. So basically this is a very short videos that they make, like 3-minute 20-second videos. So we need to go on to, let's assume that we copy this thing up. So we just copy this Airbus 380 news, we write it as Airbus 380, and after that we can see that Airbus 380, and we can just write Airbus 380 news. And here we can see this is the exciting, that is 1 day ago they have uploaded by DJ's Aviation. You can see DW News and DJ's Aviation and other things. So right now what you can basically see is that you have got all the news. So you need to just choose something like this. You just need to write up here, as in, just imagine this, that you need to write Airbus A380 up here, and whenever you do that, you just simply need to click on write for me. I've given all the links in the description that will be helping you up, so that you can actually make it step by step. Even if you don't know anything, you simply need to just copy. You simply need to just copy this thing up as in Airbus 380, and after that imagine you just write this, and after that if you get things like this, it's amazing. So which will be 100% original content. If you, whenever you check and go on to more and check the plagiarism or the plagiary, so you simply need to do what? Whenever you, all the script is being written by people, you simply need to copy it out. For example, we copy up to this, and after that we need to go on to a website that is known as Pictory.ai. Absolutely awesome. I personally use it myself. So you can see a script to video. You simply need to click on proceed. We need to just write it as like this, and you can choose the file name as Airbus A380, which completely depends up to you. It's a video will be up to 1 minute 53 seconds, so it's almost like 2-minute video. So you can choose any of the way that you want. Let's do with this one, and let's see what is the thing that's going to be coming. You can see that all of this is being written. After that, artificial intelligence is going to be making videos just for us. So it's preparing some storyboards so that we can get some videos within 2 to 3 minutes maximum. So within 5 minutes you have a complete video ready for you. You just need to upload, and that's it, right? So you can make actually hundreds and thousands of videos just like this whenever you think about the opportunity that you have, and you can see that you will be able to make money just like this. So you can see that there you can actually make like 4.7 million. You can actually make 1 million views. You're gonna be getting 1 million views in 30 days. We're gonna be making $10,000 to $12,000 every single month. Just pretty amazing, just from YouTube partner program. Not just that, if you attach something just like some affiliate programs, or you can sell some t-shirts just like this, then you will be able to make much more money. Basically they are also selling a membership. This is the membership. Subscribe to Globe Tottering. So you can see this is the thing that's happening. So they are making some really great amount of money with the help of that. So right now I think our thing is ready. So you can see this is the exact same thing that we can see. Hide the text. So we're going to be hiding the text. Apply to all. So we just going to be applying it to all, and if you want to stop background music, we can stop. If you want to use a voiceover, we can add, and we can do many things basically. So right now if we click on to preview, then we will be able to see that this is the exact same thing that's happening. Can you see this? Right, so this is the Lufthansa. Absolutely right. So this is the exact same thing. So how did you got it? Really easily with the help of the tools. I've given all the links in the description so that you can actually make it and you do not have to worry because it's quality work. So now you need to come into audio so that you get the voiceover. If you want to use a real person, you can use it. If you want to use a artificial intelligence voice completely for free, whenever you buy the premium, which is really inexpensive, like $30 to $40, I mean, you are getting something just like this within $50. Okay, so your production budget maximum would be like in $100. If you can, so it will be an investment of like $100 and you can make up to like $10,000 to $12,000, so which is absolutely okay. So right now you can see you can choose from all these US voices and you can choose from male or female, whatever you like, and then you will be able to make money just like this, and you will be able to make like 10 to 12,000 just from your partner program and extra much more. Like you can make total up to like 30 to 40,000 really easily just by using affiliate marketing. So the thing that you need to do is that you need to simply click on here and you can just go on to the writer platform. You just need to choose the premium version that will be beneficial for you for long term. Next you can actually go on to Pictory and choose the premium version so that you can make endless videos. Like you're going to be getting like 60 videos per month whenever you choose the really quality premium version, and you'll be able to make videos just like this really easily and gonna be raking, and you're gonna be making like $10,000 to $12,000, gonna be making like 1 million views, and it is down right now, so you can see there has been ups and downs, still it is getting 1 million views. That is pretty awesome to be true.